Warren Buffett's 3 rules for building wealth in your 20s. Will comfort today cost your dreams tomorrow? Most people choose comfort, and that's why few ever change. Sounds strange, doesn't it? This is not about someone born rich or lucky. It's about a young man named Warren who started with nothing special. He had no big house, no fancy car, and no shortcuts. Just a small dream, a notebook full of ideas, and a deep love for learning. People said he was too slow, too boring, and too careful. Some laughed at him. Others told him to take risks and spend more. But Warren didn't listen. He stayed focused, reading late at night and saving every little bit he earned. He didn't know how far it would go, but he believed in it. That quiet room and his simple habits changed everything one day. Please stay with us and learn how these 3 powerful rules can help you build real wealth in your 20s. Let's get started. 1. Spend less than you earn. Money does not grow on trees or appear like magic. It grows only when you save some of it. This is the first and most important rule to become rich. Warren Buffett followed this rule all his life. He learned early that money must be kept safe before you spend it. Saving even a little each month can slowly make you rich. Start saving before you spend. Warren Buffett always said saving should come first, not last. He used to say, "Don't save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving." Most people buy food, clothes, or phones first and then try to save what's left. Buffett never did that. When he worked as a paperboy, he saved a big part of his small income. That money helped him buy his first business shares. It doesn't matter how much you earn. What matters is how much you keep. If you start saving in your 20s, your money will grow year after year. This small habit is the first step to real freedom. Don't try to look rich too early. Many young people want to look rich even when they are not. They buy costly things just to show off. They think it makes them look successful. But Warren Buffett was never like that. Even when he became a billionaire, he still wore simple clothes and lived in his small old house. He didn't need to prove anything to anyone. He knew real wealth is quiet. If you spend all your money to look rich, you'll never be rich. Buffett teaches us that peace of mind is better than showing off. Keep your life simple. Warren Buffett's life is simple but very smart. He eats simple food, drives normal cars, and doesn't waste money on useless things. He believes freedom is more important than fancy stuff. A simple life helps you think clearly and save more. You don't need to copy others or follow trends. Buffett always says, "Control your money before it controls you." If your needs are small, your savings become big. That's how he built his fortune, by keeping his life simple and never spending more than he earned. 2. Let time grow your money. Before you put money anywhere, use it to make your mind stronger. Warren Buffett says the best investment you can ever make is in yourself. But once you start saving, you must give time to your money. Time is like sunlight for plants. It helps your savings grow slowly and safely. The more years you give your money, the bigger it becomes. That is the secret Buffett used all his life. Patience is your real superpower. Warren Buffett became a billionaire not by being fast, but by being patient. When he buys something, he keeps it for many years. He says, "Money moves from impatient people to patient people." This means people who hurry lose money, but those who wait win in the end. In your 20s, time is your best friend. Every small dollar you save today can grow for many years if you let it stay safe. Buffett didn't become rich in one night. He stayed calm when others got scared. That's why patience became his greatest power. Understand the power of compound growth. Buffett calls compound growth the 8th wonder of the world. It means your money earns more money on its own. If you save $100 and it earns 10%, next year you'll have $110. Then the year after that, you'll earn money not just on $100, but on $110 too. This keeps growing bigger and bigger. It's like planting a small seed that turns into a big tree. Buffett started early, and that gave him many years for his money to grow. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money gets to work for you. Time, not luck, is what makes people truly rich. Don't chase quick profits. Many people lose money because they want to get rich fast. They buy random things, follow fake news, or believe lies that promise easy money. Buffett never did that. He always took time to learn and think before making a move. He didn't care if others made money faster. He only cared about making it safely. He says, "The one who stays calm always wins." This means slow and steady always beats fast and risky. Your goal is not to win fast, but to win smart. That is how Buffett stayed rich while many others failed. 3. Keep learning before you start earning. Real wealth does not come fast. It grows slowly with time and smart choices. Warren Buffett believes that if you keep learning and stay calm, Small steps can turn into big success. Before you start thinking about making a lot of money, you must first train your mind. A strong mind can see chances that others miss. Buffett's rule is clear. The more you learn, the easier it becomes to earn. Knowledge is your best investment. Warren Buffett always says, "The more you learn, the more you earn." This means your money will only grow if your brain grows first. When he was in his 20s, Buffett read many books about business and money. While others wasted time, he studied how money really works. He didn't look for quick tricks, like he built deep understanding. So when a good chance came, he knew what to do. Learning is like planting seeds in your mind. The more seeds you plant, the more fruits you get later. That is why Buffett always tells young people, learn before you earn. Learn from people smarter than you. Warren Buffett always stayed close to people who were wiser and more experienced. He spent time with his teacher, Benjamin Graham, who taught him how to study and value companies. Buffett never felt jealous. Instead, he learned from everyone he met. He listened more and talked less. He believed that every person knows something you don't. In your 20s, it's smart to learn from others who have already walked the path. Read about successful people, ask for advice, and study their mistakes. Buffett's secret was not knowing everything. It was his wish to keep learning every single day. Mistakes are lessons, not failures. In his early life, Buffett also made wrong choices and bad investments, but he never gave up. He learned from each mistake and grew stronger. He once said, "It's good to learn from your mistakes, but even better to learn from others' mistakes." Each loss taught him something important. Many people stop after failing once, but Buffett did not. He knew that every failure hides a lesson inside. In your 20s, it's okay to make mistakes. Just don't repeat them. Learn from them, move forward, and you'll become wiser and more confident with time. A journey worth following. Warren Buffett's story is not just about money, it's about discipline, patience, and kindness. He showed the world that anyone can build wealth with the right mindset. His 3 golden rules: spend less than you earn, let time grow your money, and keep learning before earning, are timeless lessons for every young person. In your 20s, you don't need to be a genius or born rich. You just need to start early, stay patient, and keep learning daily. The habits you build now will shape the rest of your life. So if you want to grow wealth like Warren Buffett, begin today. Save first, stay patient, and keep learning. Time is your biggest friend if you use it wisely. Remember, even small steps can lead to big success later. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more inspiring stories. Share this video with someone who dreams of financial freedom. Stay smart, stay humble, and believe that your 20s are the perfect time to build the foundation for your future wealth.